Welcome to my channel, your central source for the latest news and insights into the world of finance, economics, global markets, cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. Here you'll find everything you need to stay informed and prepared for change in the dynamic world of technology and finance. Why follow this channel? We bring you up-to-date news from the financial world. Receive fresh information from the investment and financial markets to help you make better decisions. Our videos deliver the latest news essential for understanding current trends and market movements. On our channel, you'll find in-depth analyses of the economy. We provide thoughtful analyses of current trends, ranging from traditional markets to new digital currencies. Our content helps you comprehend complex economic concepts and their impact on your everyday life. With us, you'll always be one step ahead. Stay ahead as we reveal what's happening on global markets. Learn about both centralized and decentralized exchanges and how these markets affect the global economy. Gain an overview of global trends that are shaping the future of finance. Interested in cryptocurrencies, blockchain, or artificial intelligence? Here you'll find interviews with experts, explanations of the latest technological innovations, and practical guides on how these technologies are transforming the world around us. Discover how these revolutionary technologies are impacting our lives and future. Every video includes a thorough analysis of current topics. We offer exclusive commentary and discussions that not only inform you but also provide a comprehensive view of what these trends mean for us. Our discussions will immerse you in the story and help you understand why the world is changing right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our videos. Watch until the very end, where you'll find the most important insights and tips that can change your perspective on the financial world. Join our community and be part of the dynamic discussion that pushes the boundaries of informed decision-making. Together, we'll create a space where technology, finance, and innovation come together to shape the future.